Using the Aluma tilt trailer, this comes in 18 and 20 foot. You've got 2 safety latches, one on each side, as well as an extra pin latch. Now the bed is a gravity tilt with a power tilt option, and we can add to this trailer if you want the power tilt. Goes a little slow, goes down just by gravity, but if you want to speed it up, you can stand on it or just put your leg on it to get it going. Now both fenders are removable with a T-handle nut. You can pull those off. Real simple, real lightweight, easy to go. The aluminum trailers are lightweight. You've got about a 1,300 to 1,700 pound depending on the options configuration, and you've got about 9 to 11 degrees of tilt depending on which size you go with. Comes with a 16 foot, 18 foot, and 20 foot on these tilt models. You can see here loading this Camaro, loads on there with ease. The aluminum trailers have a torsion axle suspension system, so you've got a really smooth ride when you're pulling it down the road. You've got all LED lights. Now there is a hydraulic cushion to help damper the fall back down, makes it come down nice and easy. You can see the bed is not slamming down right here. Aluminum wheels is standard on this, but this one has the upgraded Toolbox and air dam on it. This is a 45-inch air dam, also option for a 24-inch air dam. Now you can see the fenders are removable, makes it easy to open the door, step out, get ready to unload it, just simply back up, let it tilt down to the ground, and drive off. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.